India is world's one of the fastest growing economy, and we are also one of the world's largest recipient of remittances since 2022. We were the first country in the world to hit this record of receiving $100 billion of remittances inflow. So, how we can further leverage or tap into the potential that still exists. So, associated with this is the modernization of the cross border payments and the reforms which are needed, and better integrate with the global financial system. So, in this case, we talk about two major hurdles which are faced. One is the regulatory hurdles, second is the inconsistent infrastructure. So, in this case, for example, uh, the non-bank payment aggregators which are there, they're still facing certain restrictions in terms of capital requirements that is to be done. So that is, again, it shifts the attention from the core function. Second, RBI recently introduced the forex correspondence guidelines. So this is a progressive step. This will aid in more clarity, more awareness generation, better regulation. In terms of infrastructure, we are still using the स्विफ्ट सिस्टम, और जो वायर ट्रांसफर्स होते हैं जो स्लो है और कॉस्टली है. So we need to learn or replicate our domestic growth of digital public infrastructure here, where the core role can be played by unified payments interface which needs international scaling. Then the recent innovations regarding blockchain and central bank digital currency, which is e-rupee, is another important innovation which is providing us real-time settlement of the cross-border transactions. We can also look into more of blockchain-based payment systems because again, that will provide us transparency, it will be secure and help in fraud prevention. So interoperability of the global financial system can better increase, it can better be dragged and can be safe at the same time.